The Division 6 Business Card Synthesizer Kit is a compact do-it-yourself project that turns a simple board and bag of parts into a surprisingly capable monophonic synthesizer. Its oscillator offers multiple classic waveforms including pulse, square, triangle, and sawtooth, giving it a sonic character far beyond its small footprint. Two low-frequency oscillators with several waveform options allow for rich modulation, from subtle movement to wild experimental textures. Built-in features like glide, attack, and decay shaping, a low-pass filter, and sample and hold make it a powerful little teaching tool for understanding synthesis. The clearly labeled through-hole design strikes a nice balance between accessibility and challenge, making it a satisfying build for anyone with basic soldering experience. Direct headphone output and compatibility with external sequencers and control voltage gear mean it is genuinely playable on its own or as part of a larger modular style setup.